Alright class, today we're diving into measure of position of group data. The formula of quartiles, decitiles, and percentiles is given by CF, XF, where the key is the quartile position, L is the lower boundary for the class, and S the total number of observation, W is the weight, and CF is the cumulative frequency of the preceding class. Remember, key is for 1 to quartiles, 1 to 9 from decitiles, and 1 to 99 for percentiles.
Sir, could you explain why we use 4 quartiles, 2 for deciles, and 2 for percentiles?
Precisely, Benjamin. These values of I help us to distribute the data into the desired quartiles. We divide by 4 to get 4 parts. For decitiles by 10 for 10 parts. For percentiles by 100 for 100 parts.
Sir, what is the importance of knowing these measures?
Great question, Benjamin. This measure helps us to understand the distribution of data and identify the specific position within the data set. They are crucially for analyzing and interpreting data in the various fields. Let's work through examples. We have frequency distribution from the lifetime of light bulbs. We need to find a quartiles tree, decitiles 4, and percentiles 70. To find quartile 3, we can use the formula and find a class that contains the 16th observation, which is the 85.5 to 96.5. Substituting the values, we can get to 03, 95.89.
Sir, can you explain how we find the class that contains a particular observation?
Of course, Benjamin. We'll look from the smallest cumulative frequency greater than or equal to the desired observation. In this case, it was the cumulative frequency of 43 from the class 85.5 to 96.5. Moving on, to decile for, we use the formula and find the class that contains the 32 observations, which is the 74.5 to 85.5. Substituting the value, we get D4 equals to 80.66.
Sir, how do we decide which observation to find the quartile, decile, or percentile?
Good question, Benjamin. The choice depends on the specific analysis or the study. Quartiles are often used to divide the data into quartiles, decitiles into tenths, and percentiles into hundreds for more detailed insights. Lastly, for percentile 70, we use the formula and find the class that contains 56 observations, which is 85.5 to 96.5. Substituting the values, we can get 70 to 93.44.
Sir, how can we apply these measures in real-life scenario?
These measures are applied in various fields like statistics, economics, and sociology to understand to understand the data of distribution. For example, in business, percentiles can help determine the sales performance and relative to competitors. Today, we've covered quartiles, decitiles, and percentiles for the group data. These measures are powerful tools for analyzing and interpreting data. Remember, practice is the key to mastering this concept. We're done, everyone.